Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the month of March, which is pretty exciting. And I'm going to be using the Creating & Co. Anti-Kit, and I believe she calls this Irish Fairy Tale. And just look how pretty it is. And it's like St. Patrick's Day without being like, I don't know, I just like it. And then I also have the St. Patrick's Day kit from CoffeePlannerMom. When I saw this kit, I remembered this little deco sheet and I was like, let's put these two together. It's gonna be awesome. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna white out some lines. Now I have another project kind of in mind for this month that I thought I'd talk about in this spread because I was considering how I wanted to go about it, to be quite honest. If I wanted to track something in here, and I think I'm going to create a separate tracking page for it. I think this is still going to be just my appointment. Speaking of which, where'd the big post-it thing? There it is. The big sticky note, I mean. There's a lot going on this month. So I thought maybe I like the full boxes and they're not like too big. So I feel like we could put one here. This quote here. I like that. I think that's fun. And maybe the books towards the top. And I might trim this one down a little bit. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to... I think that'll work. Perfect. I was trying to decide if I wanted to track something in here or make a separate page. And I think I'm going to make a separate page. But it's... I'm calling it March Mindfulness. You know, to kind of go against that whole March Madness type deal. Ooh, I might need some undo. This is undo. You get it on Amazon. It removes the sticky from the sticker so that you can pick it up and put it back down. It's pretty cool. I'm really late to the game with undo, but that's okay. Put you there for a moment. I've never used this on a Creating & Co. sticker. So let's see how this works. So yes, Mindful March. And mindfulness can mean so many things to so many people. Success. So it's just more promoting mindfulness in a way that might be beneficial to you. For me, what I did is I went through my Weight Watcher app and my Tonal app. Come on, get yourself down there. And looked for all the kind of meditation sections of the app. Here. I know spring begins, but this is spring break and that's even more important to kind of show off. And I think we'll put just a little bit of that there. And let's put the unicorn there for spring break. So I kind of went through and wrote down all the different meditation apps or programs that they have. And I think that's going to be my focus for March, is keeping track of not only working out, but different ways I can be mindful during the month. But like I said, I've got a lot going on in the like appointment wise. So I want to make sure 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks right. let's use these guys. One, two, three, four, I feel like the unicorn needs to be somewhere as well. Maybe up at the top? We'll do up at the top. Let's see what else I got. I kind of want to use up the rest of this deco first because I can always use this. I don't know. I think maybe do another quote right there. I want a shamrock and roll all night. So what is mindfulness for you? Like, do you have a, I don't know. When you think of mindfulness, you think of something specific? I just figure since this is the last month of my first quarter wig, my wildly important goal, and things have not gone as planned, maybe mindfulness is something I need to be working on a little bit more. And then let's do I don't know. Part of me wants to save a couple of these things for the next month. I feel like this is looking pretty good at the moment. Let's write some things in, why don't we? Okay, so all right, there's that. I just realized something. I should put down a little marker for the 12. So I'll actually put it on the, no, I'll put it on the 12th. I have a reoccurring thing. Scent Flirt gets. Scent Flirt is Pink Zebra's subscription box. So I need to make sure that it comes out, and then it gets shipped on the 25th of every month, which is fun. And then paydays. Do we do the pot of gold for paydays? That'd be fun. So it's technically the 5th, so it would be the 4th. And then the 21st. That's fun. Paydays. Then yeah, I don't know. Do we do some stuff up there? We could. I think I want to wait on. I don't know. I like the little mushrooms. I think I'll put them down here next to Top of the Morning to you. Just a fun little spread. Oh, let's go all out. Let's do it. do jar washi. Book washing. Got lots of little clovers or shamrocks. I feel like we go ahead and put St. Patrick's Day down where St. Patrick's Day is. I know there's another holiday there, but we're gonna make room for the sticker. Oh, this is fun. I'm glad I decided to go all out. I'm really loving the anti-kit. Like, it's a lot of fun. I don't know where we're gonna put this guy. I don't know. He might just not have a spot in this spread, and that's okay. I've got one more little shamrock guy here. Well, that was fun. So yes, these were two different shops, Creating & Co. with the Irish Fairy Tale and the St. Patrick's Day Deco from Coffee Planner Mom. I am a PR girl for Coffee Planner Mom, so if you ever order from her and you use my code HOLLY15, you'll get 15% off your order, and you'll also get a pretty fun freebie. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next one.